When you see someone using the front in parking method to grab a parking spot, let's look at how it's done from the driver's perspective. Drive forward, and when the right side B-pillar aligns with the front of the car behind, turn the steering wheel fully to the right to enter the parking space. As you move forward, pay attention to the left A-pillar. When it blocks the parking line, stop briefly. Then, turn the steering wheel fully to the left and continue driving slowly forward. Be careful not to let the front of your car scrape the vehicle ahead. Once it's safe, check the left side mirror. When you can see the entire front end of the car behind, straighten the steering wheel and shift into reverse. While reversing, watch the right side mirror. When the front door handle aligns with the curb, turn the steering wheel to the left and keep backing up slowly. Once you see in the mirror that the car body is parallel to the parking lines, straighten the wheel and adjust the distance between the front and rear cars. This way, the parking maneuver is completed neatly.